Larry vs. Harry workshop videos, front fork, assembly, take 3.
Hi there! Today I want to show you how to assemble the front fork. The front fork has one thing that could be an issue. That is this cone that has to be in the middle of the front fork. It's not exactly the black cone itself, but it's mainly this cone that is inside. When tightened, it will expand the thread of the black, and it will make sure that the front fork stays in place. So before mounting this, what you have to do is that you have to loosen the bolt in the middle. Not totally unscrew it, but just loosen it. That you do with your Allen key number 5. So you can see that when loosened, it comes out. This point is nice. It's still in the slide. So from here, you take the grease and you put inside the cup. Beside that, you put inside the front fork to make sure that the thread will run really, really fine. Whoop. Now, you take the biggest of the bearings, you put it here, pointing the angle upwards. Now you gently put it in here as far as it can go. And now you see the top of the front fork here. Then you take the smaller bearing and put it with the angle pointing down. The golden lock ring facing the sharp edge down. You take the top of the cup to seal it. This likes to run off, so I just use a little grease as glue. And finally, the top cone. Make sure that the thread runs really gentle. And this is as far as I can do it. Now you take wrench number 19 and then you gently tighten the last part. Until it's tight. One thing, the top cone or the middle cone, we have to tighten that in order to secure the whole tightening of the front headset. So in the middle, we tighten the bolt like that. Last but not least, you put on the little black top cover. Not that it really matters, but it looks good. Mounting of the front fork. Hope you found it useful. If not, you can always check out our manuals, larryvsharry.com.